Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to build a birthday campaign in Funneltopia, which essentially is a great way to engage with your mailing list subscribers, like on a more personal level, right? So you can do promos a couple days before birthday, for example, right? And send a coupon code or just some sort of you can send an email, you can send a message, and there's a specific trigger in the workflows that kind of Funneltopia knows when is the time to actually engage, when to trigger. So yeah, let me show you just an example of what it looks like and how to set it up basically. So you want to go to workflows and then you want to create a new workflow over here. Let's just start from scratch, and it's going to be, I mean, as always, you can make things as difficult as you want, but this is really, really, really simple. Oh yeah, I did a video on this already, but yeah, it's on by default. Might as well jump in under settings. Now this used to be off by default. Now it's on by default. So just so you know, because more times than not, people actually need it on as opposed to off. So that's why I got switched. Anyway, so the trigger is when somebody has a birthday, either on the same day or like, let's say 3 days before, or a week before, a month before, whatever your promo is. If you click on add new trigger here, the first one you'll see under contact is going to be birthday reminder. If you click on it, and if you hover over this little icon, it says trigger runs at 8 a.m. daily, right? So every day at 8 a.m., Funneltopia checks, okay, who are the people who have a birthday, whatever the filter is here, right? And then it triggers for those specific, let's say 3 people today, 4 people tomorrow, right? Whatever the amount is. It's those specific people for that specific day. And yeah, triggers once a day. So when it comes to filters, I mean, it all depends on your campaign, but let's say you can do, oh, I don't know, before number of days, you can do like, I don't know, 3, and you can send an email, which will be the next thing, where you send them a coupon, like 20% off for your next purchase of like specific dog treats, right, in your e-commerce store. And yeah, so now we have, before a number of days, or you can do 1 day before. And let's say, you have a cafe or whatever, you're like a restaurant, and it's just, you can tell people, hey, come by tomorrow, show us your ID so we know that it's your birthday, and you get a free medium coffee on us, right? So there's endless possibilities. So you pick your before number of days, click on save trigger, and then you click on here on the action, then it's going to be most likely, it could be send email or it can be send SMS. If you have their phone number, that might be kind of cool as well, right? Send an SMS. The coffee thing I just mentioned, hey, come on over tomorrow, show us this text message, right? And then that we sent you yesterday, and we'll give you a free medium coffee. So that's also a way to do it. Or you can do an email, right? Click on here, send email. And then same old, and then you write in the email, here's the coupon code, here's the link, send it out. So it's simple as that. But it all obviously depends on your promotion, but those are like a couple examples. Yeah, so make sure to go check that out. Obviously name the workflow, which I always tend to forget. That should be like the first thing to do. Yeah, so let's go back. Yeah, any questions? Feel free to click on down below, 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.